Hello friends, we are going to learn how to draw a 1-point perspective, linear perspective picture. This is kind of a weird one. It's a city on the edge of a lake or ocean, and we're just kind of having fun with it. It's a little bit of a weird one. But the things that we need to know about are linear perspective. Linear perspective is an illusion that makes things look 3D. It's just how things that are further away look smaller than things that are close by. Like if we look at the front of these buildings, the front is closer than the back, so the back is smaller. Linear perspective, there's a line hiding in that word. So you just draw a line between the big thing and the small thing. And because of how it works, all of your diagonal lines go to the same point, which is called the vanishing point. They're also called orthogonals, but you don't need to know that word right now. Okay, so we're going to have three kinds of lines. We're going to have vertical, horizontal, diagonal. All of the diagonals go to the vanishing point. There's only one vanishing point in this picture. Anything else you need to know? I think that's it. All right, so the way I did this is we're going to start by adding our horizon line. So I'm going to give myself a horizontal line here. And label that just for you. You don't have to label it if you don't want to. I'm also going to add a vanishing point to the middle. Now, in terms of your rectangles that we're going to draw for our building, you can just eyeball them. I like to start at the edge, slide it in, helps keep it more vertical. You can freehand it, or you can use your ruler. You want them to be about the same distance up as they are down. That's what's going to give you the illusion of a reflection. Okay, I'll stick one here right over my words. I'm going to make a nice big one. See how big it is? I'm going to measure it with using my hands. All natural rulers. I'll do like one over here. I don't want to go, well, you know what? I'll do two. I'll do one that is kind of smaller, and I'm going to do one that's behind. Again, do a little quick measure. Awesome. Now I've got the rectangles for my buildings. Time to pull out the ruler, if you weren't already using a ruler. So all of your diagonals go to the same vanishing point. So I'm going to rotate my ruler until I hit that. And this is a very light line because I'm going to erase most of it. Rotate. Oh, there's my corner. There's no need to go through this building. You just have to erase it anyway because the building's not see-through. Rotate it. All right, let's hit this one. So start here. There it goes. Beautiful. Start here. Rotate it. Beautiful. If you do draw through, it doesn't matter. You just erase it later. Yeah, so that's one side. Now this is 1-point perspective, so we are going to be sticking to this vanishing point. I want y'all to be able to see. So starting here, rotate down. Oh, there's a corner. Start here, rotate down. There's a corner. Let's turn it. Start here, rotate down, turn it. Start here, rotate down, turn it. Cool, 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 cool. All right, now we need to do the sides of our building. So I'm going to come down here, and you can just decide whatever looks right. There's no specific measurement that's right. I'm going to use that to line it up. So the sides of my buildings need to be vertical. Ew, that's too close to that, isn't it? Let's make this building a little wider. Yeah, it's awkward if it lines up too close. Let's see what kind of eraser we got. Yeah, that looks a little better to me. Okay. Now the building doesn't go on forever, so I'm going to erase this line and this line. There we go. Strengthen those lines. Just make it a little bit tougher to hide, or make it a little easier to hide my mistakes. I don't know about you, but I make a billion mistakes. That's my main drawing style. Okay, so now we got to do this side. I'm gonna use my ruler again because I do want it to kind of line up. That seems about right. Check that out, looking good in the neighborhood. All right. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna erase this line here and erase this line here. Beautiful. Let's do the other side. Alright, so I'm gonna use this. Ooh, I don't want it to get too close. Remember I did that last time, I didn't like it. Here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's do the next one. Looking good, looking good. Now this, the thing that you need to know about this is that you're just drawing a couple of different shapes. You're just drawing. The only shapes that you are drawing is a rectangle and a parallelogram. All right, play with that for a minute. And when you're done, you can start adding some more of these details. I stuck some clouds. The ones at the edge get bigger and then they get smaller as they get closer. You can have fun with the colors. I put a little sun in the middle just because I'm cool like that. And a little sailboat right at the bottom. All right, that is 7 minutes. That is enough video. I can't wait to see what you make.